In this video, I want to talk about how you can send money from Wise to your PayPal account. Now, currently on Wise, there's no way to directly do it, but there is a way that you can do it just by withdrawing and then depositing. So all you need to do is withdraw your money from one account and then you just want to deposit on the other. So click on send here, and then what you want to do is just type in whatever you want. And if you want in the same currency, you can just select the same on both of these. Click add and bank, and then just choose myself. Then once the money has been transferred to yourself on your bank account, you just want to head over to PayPal, and then you just want to press deposit and deposit the money that you just took out from Wise. Now this is currently the only way to do this, since Wise and PayPal doesn't have any kind of collaboration or something like that. So this is the only way currently, by this date, to do this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.